I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on Bumble app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Bumble app and you will click. Here in this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.